Hey guys, it's time for another update on Kullike's garden.
Hi.
So what's different since I seen the last one?
Well, my garden keeps growing and growing because my ambition is growing. So I just keep expanding it. So it just seems like no garden can be large enough.
So you've been doing some planting, I see.
Yeah, I planted raspberries all along because they're kind of taller. So I put them on the north side. And then right next to the raspberries, I want to make a strawberry bed. And here in front, who knows what? I want to put all kinds of things here. I'm gonna decide next spring what I'm gonna plant here. And here I have some currant bushes. I have some blackberries here as like a natural extension to the raspberry bed. I have blackberries here. And then I have some currant bushes here. Black currant and red currant.
Look at that, guys. What about this?
And then I put some huskups here, but probably not a good place for them. I don't think this is good, because they are quite big bushes, so they're going to need far more space than in this little tiny corner. So they're going to, I'll just leave them here right now, but next spring I'm gonna probably, because my ambition is growing and the garden is growing, so there'll be somewhere over there.
What's this?
And this is I actually initially I thought I'm gonna plant all these cherries and things here on this side, because that's like well, no, I thought I'm gonna put them here because then they wouldn't offer too much of a shade for the rest of the garden. But then I realized that they grow big, so right now they're small, but they grow big, and then it's not good. So I'll make a new batch for them all together. So here I have sea buckthorn and cherries.
So this is a cherry tree here, right?
This is a cherry tree. This is actually a baby tree from our trees in Saskatoon, from our Saskatoon garden.
And what are these?
These are sea buckthorn. This is sea buckthorn.
Look at that, guys.
Sea buckthorn, yeah.
So what else will you put in this area? This is a new area she dug, I think, isn't it? Is this new since last week?
Yeah, because I realized that I have to put these bigger trees somewhere else rather than my garden bed. So I just made another area for them all together.
So last week, yeah, you guys seen this. That's a lot of work she did. But then now she planted those there, we showed you. And then she dug this. This week, this is new, Jason. And what else is going to go in here with the cherry tree and those other...
Sea buckthorn cherries, and I think I'm probably going to put cherries like here, like this. Some cherry trees. And here in the middle, I think I'm gonna put a row of huskups, I think. Unless I put huskups over there, because when they grow big, then it's way too crowded here. So when they're small, it's hard to estimate, but you have to think ahead, because they grow.
Look at this garden, guys. A lot of work. And why do you have all the fence around it for? What's the idea behind that? In case somebody
I don't want
asks.
any wild animals here, because they don't mix with gardens well. So
you want to keep it as clean as possible, right?
Yeah, I don't want any deer to come here or rabbits. Rabbits are bad. They're peeling the bark off from fruit trees, and deer isn't any welcome neither. So we don't want any of that.
Even the pup's not welcome in the garden.
No,
here.
I don't want pup here, because she wants to dig.
Either. She starts digging and everything.
She will be digging everything out of the plant here.
Turn it into a litter box. No, I don't think she'd do that. But
no, she
would be digging
she wouldn't.
things. Like,
but
this would be like paradise for her to start digging.
Yeah, no, I don't want that, because wherever there is soft sand or dirt, she gets that idea that that's a place to dig. Especially if she sees me digging, so she thinks she will gonna help, but no, that's not needed here. So
guys, next week we'll do another video on this. We'll keep showing it. And what's it gonna look like next week, Kullike? What's your promise? It depends on the weather too.
I'm hoping to get the strawberries planted, because strawberries are in those tubs. These I brought from our Saskatoon garden.
There's some strawberries here.
Yeah.
She wants to get those into the ground too.
Yeah, they are just stuffed here. But they are frozen solid. Actually, we had a few really cold nights, like -10.
Yeah.
So these tubs, I was actually hoping to plant them today, but they're just frozen solid, so we might just have to
Bring them in. Yeah.
bring them in the house for overnight, so to thaw out, so I can. But they won't survive winter in those tops, so I have to plant them.
Okay, guys, we'll do another video next week, and I'm sure she'll be showing you a lot more trees in the ground and bushes and whatever else. So we'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.
See you.